Approaching runway 15. Entered runway 15, 5,600 feet remaining. Class Bravo above in 4.5 miles. Traffic, 5 o'clock, 1 mile, 500 feet below.
There's a nice runway in the middle of nowhere.
Oh yeah.
Roger.
There's no taxiway, it's just a small strip, whatever that town is on the east side of the Mississippi.
McGee, Uni.
McGee was one of my stops. It's pretty small, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm not sure they have gas.
November 186, contact Little Rock approach 135.4.
Little Rock approach 135.4, 186, have a good day.
There's a big barge over here. I hope this guy knows where the deepest part of the river is.
Oh,
Can
yeah.
you see that sandbar?
November 02 Victor, Cleveland Airport, at your 11 o'clock, 22 miles, port field inside.
02 Victor will report airport inside.
12552.
Automated weather observation 1653 Zulu. Wind variable at 04. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 16 Celsius. Dew point 03 Celsius. Altimeter 3000.
Memphis Center, Skyhawk 1802 Victor.
Skyhawk 1802 Victor, go ahead.
We're about 6 east of Romeo November Victor, Cleveland to Dalton, Georgia D, Delta November.
And November 1802 Victor, Roger, you picking up flight following?
Affirmative.
Or 1802 Victor, squawk 1041 and Greenville altimeter 2998.
1041 and Greenville is 2998.
Affirmative. Over 1802 Victor, radar contact 10 miles east of the Cleveland Airport. Stay altitude.
4,700.
Roger, I just want to verify your destination, Dalton, November.
Affirmative.
Chattanooga approach, sky 5138 Echo, level with you at 5,500.
Number 5138 Echo, Chattanooga approach, altimeter 2991.
Up Smoky in the Smokies.
Number 02 Victor, traffic 1 o'clock, 2 miles, appears to be southbound, altitude indicates 3,600, type unknown, not talking to.
I see it.
02 Victor, we've got air traffic in sight, no factor.
Roger.
Good girl.
I've been watching for him.
You see the little water feature? The little water, right above it, there's a clearing that goes left and right. The clearing, that's the airport.
Are you sure?
Yes. I can see the buildings now. Wow, I wonder why it's so bumpy.
Number 02 Victor, Dalton Airport, 11 o'clock, 7 miles.
Chattanooga approach 02 Victor Airport in sight.
02 Victor, radio service terminated, squawk VFR, finish change approved. Good night.
Appreciate your help today. We'll go VFR.
You gonna announce?
Yeah, how many miles out? 7. Dalton traffic, Skyhawk 1802 Victor. We are 6 to the southwest landing, Dalton.
An aircraft in a Dalton, 75 X-ray has been landing 32 for your advisory. Dalton.
One mile final runway 32.
Dalton traffic, scaling 175 X-ray, holding short 32.
Dalton traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, extended final 32, full stop, Dalton. He's waiting on me. I go that way? Yeah, I saw an airplane going.
It's coming in.
What are you saying?
There's an airplane coming in.
Well, I'm going on the taxiway.
I know.
Okay, alright.
I was just telling you.
Don't drop
Maybe he
down,
was-
goes on final, 14 Dalton.
I'm going to pull in.
Dalton Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation. 1440 Zulu. Wind 150 at 11. Peak gusts 17. Visibility 3. Haze.
He's taking
Sky
off.
condition broken 2,400. Overcast 10,000. Temperature 17. Dew point 10. Altimeter 3007. Remarks. Visibility variable between 2 and 4. Density altitude 890.
Hey, have you heard anybody in the pattern?
About this? No. What about this thing?
That's where I want it.
Okay.
Good question, though. Dalton traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, taking the active 14, departing to the south, Dalton.
Looks so good right there.
Yeah, but I got up there and looked, and it didn't look any better. I don't want to be trapped above undercast.
Are you going to tie it down?
Oh yeah, I'm tying it down. I don't know when we have to watch weather now.
Jack said it's supposed to be clearer in a bit.
Okay, well let's watch it and wait it out.
is the radio stuff supposed to be on?
123.05, the traffic channel.
What's your weather? It was
127.57.
Moore County Airport. Automated weather observation. 1503 Zulu. Wind 050 at 09er. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 07 Celsius. Dew point -01 Celsius. Altimeter 3037.
Which way are you taking off?
I'm taking off to the into the wind. See that sign right there that says 5? And the wind is out of 4. So the wind is right down the runway.
I'm not questioning. Saying you pointed that you were going up here.
Oh, I pointed wrong.
Approaching runway 05.
Moore County traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, taking the active 05, departing 05, turn out to the west. Moore.
Entered runway 05, 6,400 feet remaining.
Clear on final. Fayetteville approach, Skyhawk 1802 Victor. Cessna 172, we're about 5 west of Moore County, Sierra Oscar Papa. Request flight following direct to 9 Alpha 5, Barwick Lafayette Airport at 6,500.
November 1802 Victor, squawk 0577.
Squawk 0577.
November 1802 Victor, radar contact at 9 miles northwest of the Southern Pines Airport, fail altimeter 3035.
3035, 02 Victor.
November 02 Victor, turn left heading 270 vetted for traffic at 12 o'clock in about 8 miles. We'll have on course for you here in about 2 or 3 miles.
Return to 270 and looking for traffic, negative contact.
First 02 Victor, there to 12 o'clock in 8 miles, eastbound 5,000 to Barron.
Looking for traffic, negative contact.
November 02 Victor, traffic no 5 feet, can resume navigation.
Is there a rule if you meet traffic that one goes up, one goes down, or one goes left, or one goes right?
There are rules. You're supposed to go to the right. If you're oncoming, go to the right. But if you're talking to air traffic control, they'll tell you kind of what they want you to do.
Something coming in right here.
Approach Sirius 503,
3,000.
57,000 feet.
3,000. What are we?
6,000.
We're at 6 now?
Yes.
Oh. There's one right here at 3. Coming right under us.
I'm looking.
Look on your side. Oh, we still have a bunch of ridges to get up over.
Well, it's down in a valley for sure. But these ridges aren't like what was behind us.
1802 Victor, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, change to WASR frequency approved.
We'll switch to VFR. Appreciate your help today. 02 Victor. Just push the 1200.
I don't even see the airport.
That's all right. We're going to stay high until we do.
I think that's the tower they're talking about.
I think so.
That you're like 1.
Barwick Lafayette, Skyhawk 02 Victor. We are 3 east, landing Barwick. That's it. See the white that's below the ridge line? That's where we're headed. So we're good.
It looks like we have ridges to get up over.
Well, yeah, we're going to climb, but those ridges are not the high ones. Just keep your eyes out the window.
I don't see the runway.
It's there.
Tank man, 132 dash, going to shoot the GPS approach to runway 20. I'll report the final fix.
Barwick Lafayette, 02 Victor, 1 mile final, 20 full stop, Barwick. Lafayette, Skyhawk 02 Victor, gonna back taxi on runway 20, back taxi 20 Barwick. Don't want anybody coming in, a guy came in. Up 1700. Good.
Get higher. Tower right there. I just saw a bird. Are we going to be able to get high enough?
Yes. We're climbing between 5 and 1,500 and 1,000 feet a minute. Chattanooga approach, Skyhawk 1802 Victor.
Number 1802 Victor, turning approach.
Cessna 172, about 4 southeast of Barwick, Lafayette, 9 Alpha 5, request flight following direct to Cleveland Muni, Romeo, November, Victor, 4,500.
Number 02 Victor, squawk 2003.
2003. Okay.
November 1802 Victor, radar contact 7 miles west of Lafayette. Again, your altitude?
Cruise altitude 4,500. We're passing through 3,800. No more ridges.
Good.
Should be all green as soon as we get closer to the Mississippi.
November 1802 Victor, contact Atlanta Center 124.5. Good day.
124.5 for Atlanta Center. Appreciate your help.
Where are you trying to be?
4,500.
Well, you're going down. You're at 3.
Okay, but you got to understand, I'm looking at a different, it is going down, but that's a GPS. This is pressure.
I know, I understand that.
Okay.
I'm just noticing that you're going down. And you're not where you said you wanted to fly.
Okay, Atlanta Center, Skyhawk 1802 Victor, 4,300.
1802 Victor, Atlanta Center, Huntsville, altimeter 3010.
3010.
I'm sorry, I gave it wrong. Altimeter number 1802 Victor, it's 3018.
3018, 02 Victor. Test. Are you on?
Test.
Okay, we're good to go. I'm going to ask this guy when he's landed what he thinks the bases are at.
Clear traffic, don't stay 14, clear 36.
Clear of the active, I guess he said.
Yeah.
Cleveland traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, taking the active 36, departing 36, turn out to the west, Cleveland. Delta College, Skyhawk, what's the cloud basis, do you think?
The highest we got up to was about 1,600. They still seemed a good bit above us at that.
Roger that. Appreciate the help. We're heading to Texas. Been watching it all day. Thank you.
Roger that. Yeah, good luck.
There's a cloud base where we are. We're at 2,000.
You didn't have obstacles lit up.
Yeah, get that. I've been playing around with it. Actually going to stop at 3,000 for now. Memphis approach, Skyhawk 1802 Victor.
Number 1802 Victor, go ahead.
Skyhawk, Cessna 172, we're about 11 west of Romeo, November, Victor, Cleveland. Request flight following direct to Charlie, Papa, Tango, Cleburne. 4,500.
Number 1802 Victor, squawk 5644.
Squawk 5644. I'd say cloud bases are 2,800. Scattered layer. You must be busy. Well, it's Thanksgiving Sunday.
Number 1802 Victor, radar contact 20 miles southwest of Cleburne Airport, south. Tune indicates 3,000. 02 Victor, roger, maintain VFR. The Greenville altimeter is 3002.
3002. Oh, this is a cut-off loop. I wondered, there's a whole bunch of houseboats over here. Well, this is a cut-off loop. It's a giant lake over here. This is almost worth the trip. I love looking at this.
Who else called in?
Super busy.
Okay, everybody stand by. Lima Alpha only calling. Say requested altitude, Blue Hills 95. I need you to expedite 180 for traffic, please.
Oh my, 86 knots.
Flex at 92, set maintain 4,000, expedite down.
4,000 expedite, flex at 92.
6 Victor Whiskey, and just stay at 6,500. I got to step you down, reference to Global Express off your left. Just descend down to 65, and I'll get you lower in a second.
Hours.
Yeah. I feel like we're close to them.
We're not. But what you don't know.
Southeast 850. I'm going to have to bring you off the funnel here. Turn left heading of 280, and I'll get you right back.
The controller would
280, Southeast 850.
He'd say, are you familiar with Cedar Hill Towers? You're headed towards them, or you need to climb.
I did track right a little bit.
Tracking.
Huh?
I said I'm tracking. Moving.
And you're climbing or descending. I can't climb.
Here, 1802 Victor, contact approach on 13597.
Contact approach 13597, 02 Victor.
Exact at 555.
Who is that?
280.
It's another regional approach. Another regional approach controller on this, the west side.
Okay, call them after you get on your little high.
That's my heading. Regional approach, Skyhawk 1802 Victor 3000.
Skyhawk 1802 Victor, regional approach. Good evening, descent here, discretion advised. Cleburne in sight.
We'll call you when we have Cleburne, 02 Victor. Yeah, he's not, we're out of his way.
I don't feel like they're really watching for us.
They're not. That's not their job. Their job is to separate the commercial carriers. They handle us on a workload permitting basis. It's not their job. It's a workload permitting. So we kind of on our own. But he said...
You need to track right a little bit.
Okay. He will, like he did with that Southwest a while ago. I think he was talking to that Southwest. And he said 3,000 feet, Skyhawk, westbound. And he never called me. But Southwest said we got him on our radar, or we got him in sight. So if you look out your window, you'll see Midway Airport.
Yep, I see an airplane.
Do you? Oh yeah, taking off.
Taking off.
And then there's, do you see him yet on your chart?
Yeah.
And so that's Midlothian.
Yeah, I see a lot of airplanes.
It's a busy place.
In the sky and down below.
Class Bravo. It's an upside down wedding cake. Everything looks good on my instruments. Safe altitude, correct heading. We're on the right frequency. I'll tell you what we're going to go to is 122 or 11952 is our weather. And I may go ahead and get that.
Cleburne Regional Airport. Automated weather observation 2341 Zulu. Wind 330 at 9 knots. Visibility more than...
We're good. 330 at 9 knots. There's no wind. There's no gust factor. It's right down the runway. We have runway 33. That's Alvarado Lake right there.
Yep.
And that's going to be Pat Cleburne right there.
Yep.
Woohoo!
That's Pat Cleburne. We should be seeing our beacon. I think I do see it. I just saw it. It's straight out your nose.
I'll I'm looking.
Past the water, past the Alvarado Lake, past another bank of lights.
Okay, is it above Alvarado Lake?
Yeah, above that and above another group of lights. You see it?
Yeah, I do. Regional approach 02 Victor.
02 Victor, go ahead.
Airport site, Charlie Papa Tango, we've got the weather.
02 Victor, no traffic there between you and Cleburne. Radio service terminated. Squawk maintain VFR. Change to advisories approved. Have a good day.
Appreciate your help today. Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, we're 10 East landing, Cleburne. Okay, we made it. What time is it?
We aren't on the ground. Don't you start celebrating yet.
5:47. It's really as we predicted. Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor. We're 2 East, crossing over the top of the field at 2000, and we'll enter a left downwind for 33 Cleburne. Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, left downwind for 33, full stop Cleburne. Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, turning final for 33, full stop Cleburne.